Leadership is about the process of initiating and coping with change. So kapag ka leader ka, you're trying to make change happen. Walang leader na saan tayo papunta? Dito, nakarating na tayo. Chill-chill ka lang, no? So, hindi. A leader is driven by a vision or a goal, an aspiration. So in short, si leader may gustong mangyari beyond what's already happening now. Anong kailangan mong gawin para sumama yung mga tao doon sa gusto mong marating as a leader? Di ba? You need to motivate them. You need to inspire them. You need to enable them. You need to guide them. No? You need to influence them. Maganda ron. Punta tayo doon. Okay? Yun yung leadership. No? Okay? You need to understand them. Sabi, yung piloto, or captain, whether captain ng eroplano or captain ng barko, sabi, ay nag-set ng direction kung saan papunta para smooth sailing. Ito ang problema. Kung may nakasakay na mali ang nasakyan, hindi smooth sailing for that person. So, importante rin para sa isang kapitan to make sure that the right people are the one on the ship. In short, yung gusto mong puntahan, gusto rin puntahan ng ibang tao. Dahil magmamaktol all the way yun. Hindi ko naman dyan gusto pumunta. Balik niyo ako sa di ba? Di ba? Naranasan niyo na ba yung mali yung sinakyan yung jeep? At napansin mo lang nung iba nilikuan, di ba? Nagpapanik ka, di ba? Para. O kaya kapag ayaw mo napapaya, excuse me, para. Pero sa totoo lang paglabas, bakit ako dun sa mga, di ba? So, yun yung leader. Make sure that everybody's on board, want to go to where you want to go. Ano mga kailangan mong gawin? Ano yung management? Okay, management is coping with the complexity of pursuing a goal. So, lahat tayo nakasakay sa isang barko, doon tayo papunta. Okay? Anong trabaho ng captain? Ang trabaho lang ba ng captain ay sabihin, doon tayo papunta? Hindi, di ba? Ano pa ang trabaho ng captain ng ship? Steady lang kayo dyan. Basta akong bahala rito. Diba? Actually, iba pa yung nagtitimon, navigator yun. Oo. So, anong trabaho ng captain? Pagkatapos niya sabihin, doon tayo pupunta and making sure that everybody's on board, na walang naiwan, walang ibang gustong puntahan. Ano pa ang trabaho? Napakatalino ito si Harold. Bigyan na ng certificate ito. Okay na. So what are the complexities? Actually hindi nga kapag nasa biyahe na bago pa umalis yung barko, accountable na siya. Yung decision to say launch the boat or launch the ship, tatanungin niya muna yung nagbibilang ng pasahero kung kumpleto na ba yung pasahero, or if the person in charge of that knows what they're doing, they go to the captain. Captain, kumpleto na yung pasahero na. And that's when the captain makes a decision. The captain, even if the captain is not the one taking care of the engine, has to make sure that the engine is working. He has to work with the engineer of the ship. Ngayon, wala naman sanang kapaki-pakialam yung sa pagkain doon sa ship. Pero pag may isang pasahero nagsabi, ang sama ng lasa ng pagkain, problema ng kapitan. Hindi niya pwedeng sabihin, pasensya na, tanga kasi yung chef namin. Sorry sa chef. Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Responsibility mo lahat. So, that's managing. You have to manage all of the resources that will bring you from where you are to where you want to be. And it's a challenging. So, what is this telling us? Hindi ito good versus evil. You have to be a good leader. You have to be a good manager. You have to be a great leader. You have to be a great manager. Hindi pwedeng great leader, poor manager. At hindi rin pwedeng great manager ka, pero poor leader ka. Dahil, baka ikaw yung mag-operate ng barko. Kailangan mong i-supervise closely. Kasi if you're going back, anong name mo, ma'am? Hindi ko masyado makita yung lapid. Si Christine, ano? Okay. Kagaya ng sinabi ni Christine, dahil malaki yung ng trabaho, you have to learn to empower, otherwise you'll do everything yourself. Kasi mananagot ka sa boss mo if you fail to deliver. In fact, kahit nag-empower ka ng tao and they fail to deliver, mananagot ka pa rin sa boss mo. Ano ba itong pinasok natin? So, management is efficiency in climbing the ladder of success Leadership determines whether the ladder is leaning against the right. So kahit gaano kaganda yung takbo ng barko and it's going to the right direction, if the wrong people are on, the ship will fail. No? So importante,